As part of Culture Night in Monaghan, storyteller Raymond O'Keeran will give a public talk on the mythical Irish hero Cúchulainn and his legacy, entitled Cúchulainn's Story, Ulster's Greatest Hero. In his talk, Raymond compares Cúchulainn to the great Greek hero Achilles. I asked Raymond, was the comparison a fair one?
He is, and he's our Achilles, and I wouldn't be the first to speak of Cúchulainn in the same light as these great world heroes. Across the world we have heroes in an international pattern, mythological heroes, and Cúchulainn certainly fits that bill. He's semi-divine, i.e. he has a god for a father, Lu, an earthly mother, Jaitira, and he did his great deeds when he was young, so he didn't actually live out his life to old age, and he was brave. The women all adored him and the men admired him. So he certainly is a fascinating Irish Achilles-like hero. His deeds, for example, what other hero do you know of who single-handedly held back not one set of invaders but 4 other provinces from coming to Ulster to steal the prized bull? And Cúchulainn did that himself single-handedly, and he did that with very little sleep, while all the other men were enduring the pains of childbirth, which is a curse that Maha laid on all the other men from Ulster. But Cúchulainn was without sin, so to speak, and he was able to stand on the plains of Muirthemne there at Dundalk and hold back the tide that was Maeve's Connacht army. The stories are amazing.
And Raymond, the death of Cúchulainn, which is memorialised in our own GPO in the great monument by Shepherd, how did he die?
That's important to mention also with all these heroes. You know, they have what might be deemed a miraculous birth, but they need to have a very strong exit, a death, and Cúchulainn's death is very, very moving. In fact, it would be hard not to shed a tear thinking about Conall Cernach, his fellow warrior, sending Cúchulainn's head back from around Tara, where it was being maltreated and kicked around, to Cúchulainn's great love, Emer. And when she receives her lover's head, she holds it into her breast, and then she digs her nails into his skin. She sucks his blue lips and then places the head back on the torso. And then she says, probably for me, the most powerful lines in the whole story. She says that there's not a woman in Ireland or in Scotland or throughout the world that wasn't jealous of me until this day, as she looks down at her dead lover. You know, Cúchulainn died in Knockbridge, and you can still go today to that large standing stone. I went there recently and I found it difficult to draw myself away, even though it was getting dark. Cloch an War, the great man's stone. So you can go there today, and you can also go to where Cúchulainn was thought to be buried north of Dundalk, and then his lover Emer was reunited with him sometime later. So although these tales could be thought of as being 2,000 years old, they're very real. The wise monks who wrote them down, they attributed the stories to places like Lusk in North County Dublin, like Navan Fort, even Rathland Island, and as far away as Scythia, north of the Black Sea. And you know something? It's that link with real places that makes these stories reverberate with us to this very day.
That's Raymond O'Keeran and his fascinating talk, Cúchulainn's Story, Ulster's Greatest Hero.